Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Snapchat public profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Often our desired social media may no longer hold its charms once a better one is out or we feel it's not up to the standard of what other platform give us. Whatever the reason, deleting your public profile is a straightforward process on any platform. Before you decide on deleting your uh, Snapchat public profile, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here. Now you can go to the setting, tap on the up right corner of the gear icon, and here you can just scroll down and you'll find public profile settings. Here's your username. You can just tap on your username before maybe you can check your preview your profile before you delete it. Here's my profile. Now, if you want to clear, you want to remove it, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option, clear public profile. You can just tap on that. So when you clear or delete your public profile, everything you've added to your public profile on Snapchat will be deleted, such as your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories saved to your profile. Your snaps you've submit to your spotlight or the snap map will remain and won't show your name unless you use your public profile again. Now, if you're sure you want to delete it, you can just tap on clear. So now you have cleared your public profile on Snapchat. And if you want to custom, you want to use your public profile again, you can set up in here. Here's my preview. You can see it's very simple, right? So that is how to delete your public profile on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.